Download 4-inch receipt installation file from our website. From Download, open 4-inch receipt DMG file. Double-click and open installation file within DMG. Click on Done. Now click on Apple icon on the left corner and open System Settings. Move down and open Privacy and Security. Move down and you will see that PosBox application is blocked. Click on Open Anyway and on pop-up, click on Open Anyway again. When asked, give your password. PosBox driver installation is completed. Now we have to connect our printer with your Mac. Go to Printers and Scanners. Click on Add Printers. Connect printer USB cable with your Mac and you will see PosBox printer connected on USB. Select PosBox printer. In some cases, it will start printing some lines automatically. Click on Use and then click on Select Software. A pop-up will appear. Here search for PosBox. Select PosBox 4-inch receipt and click OK. Now click on Add. Printer installation is completed. Hope this video was helpful.